I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love eating out where there's a 100% gluten-free kitchen. And Bibibop is one of my favorites. There are 40 locations of Bibibop in Ohio and 30 plus in 10 other states plus Washington, D.C. So let's see what we got at our local spot. So we're starting off with miso soup, which actually comes with your meal. When you're at the restaurant, you can just get as much as you want. What we're going to do here at home is we're going to add, and we'll add some green onions into that. Next, we have a spicy chicken bowl. It's a base of rice and noodles, gluten-free noodles, which is amazing. It has pineapple, the spicy chicken. It's got some egg over here, and we've got the broccoli. We got this bowl to share so we can both try it because it just sounds amazing. This is a double protein bowl. So it has a rice base. You get one topping. We got the broccoli, which we both enjoy. And then our topping is barbecue, Korean barbecue. And then we also got one chicken bowl. This is on greens. It's got cucumbers and broccoli and cheese and chicken. Then to round it out, we got ourselves a couple of gluten-free cookies. We've got a chocolate chip one and a snickerdoodle. And I got myself a blackcurrant tea. That's the one tea that doesn't have sugar in it and that I can sweeten myself. Okay, we're gonna start with the miso soup. Like I said, we added some of our own green onions. Stir that up. Miso soup has a lot of probiotics in it because miso has a lot of probiotics. It's not super hot because it was in the car for a while. But the flavor is wonderful. I will warm this up and finish it. Okay, so I'm gonna try my chicken bowl. I'm just gonna try the components first. There's the chicken. Kind of like a teriyaki chicken. The broccoli still has some structure to it. It's not all... Sometimes when you get broccoli, it's either way undercooked or way overcooked. This is not either of those. So it's just about right. Now, the other thing I got on my bowl was, I got mine over greens. Also some curried chickpeas in there. That's a nice curry flavor. It really is. Now, I got some yum yum sauce from there. I've got that curry in there. Now I'm gonna mix it up. And that way, we can try it all together. That's the way to do that. So good. I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna try the Korean barbecue. Cleanse the palate with some of my tea. And again, this is on a bed of rice. You only get one topping, and we did not get a sauce on it. Again, the broccoli is lovely, and the Korean barbecue is good. It's got just the tiniest bit of spice, and I'm a big baby about spice. So when I say tiny, I mean tiny. 10 out of 10 would get anything on this table again. And I've already had the cookies, so I know they're good. Okay, so IT guy tells me I can handle this level of spice. And I want to try these noodles because they're also gluten-free. And grain-free for that matter. So, all right, so that's what we've got in this bite. It's got a tiny bit more spice than this. If you like spicy, you're going to want a spicy sauce on top of it to make it even spicier. But if you want just a little bit of spice, that's really good. So, all in all, everything from Bibibop was delicious. It was packed when we got there. We were in and out in about 10 minutes. And so I say 100% give it a try and see if you can find what it is that you love at Bibibop.